Okay, so here are the snap ring pliers that you need to do this. A pair like this. This is the Mac TPQ56. Let's see if I can get this out right now. Get an idea of the size of it. There's my hand. See if I can do this while holding the phone. Yeah, that's not going to happen. But I'll get back to it. Okay, I'm not gonna lie and say I got it off on the first try. It took me about 5 or 6 attempts, and it finally snapped off. I'm gonna pull it out. All right, you can take a look at that. See how heavy that snap ring is. I'm telling you, you need pliers like this, snap ring pliers like this. These ain't gonna cut it. These didn't cut it. That piece of crap definitely didn't cut it. This crap definitely didn't cut it. Alright, it's very important that you get the right set of snap ring pliers. I also had, you know, it was a really good set that had like the adjustable, you know, the tips you can replace, different tips you can put in. But the problem with that is that they get too fat to get through there. You need something skinny to get in there.